Hey y'all, Kathryn here with Ukulele Wine Time. I wanted to take a brief intermission or wine break and just say thank you so much for being here. I hope you're enjoying my cozy Christmas song play along series. Whether you're just listening at home or you're trying these out on your ukulele, just cheers to you and thank you for being here. If you're liking this series, I hope that you like the videos, or cheers the like button, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you try out any of these songs at home. If you didn't hear, I have a cozy Christmas songbook that accompanies this whole series, so you can print out the pages, the songs at home. They've got the chords and the lyrics, the chord diagrams. They even have chord charts with slash notation, so you can check out the counting. Always great to help you feel more confident when learning the songs. And as always, I bold the lyrics that line up with the chords. So that's a great way to just help you as if you're playing and singing. So check that out in the link below. It's the Cozy Christmas Songbook. The wine I'm drinking in this series is from Dry Farm Wines. So I was really curious to try natural wines, so they sent me a couple bottles. I've really been enjoying drinking these wines. They source from small family-run vineyards and farms with good farming practices around the world. And so if you're curious as well to try natural wines, I put a link in the description below. Once again, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. And without further delay, let's get back to the Christmas song playlist. Cheers!
Ukulele wine time.